About the author, Sanaya has been channeling Orin, a wise and gentle spirit teacher, for many years. Orin, a timeless being of love and light, has assisted thousands of people to awaken through his books, seminars, and audio courses. Orin teaches us how to reach the divine within us, our true self, so we can grow through joy and release struggle and experience love, peace, and abundance in our daily lives. The book is divided into 4 sections, each dealing with certain aspects of the money problem, but all 4 blends together in such a way as to give the reader one of the most practical guides for becoming wealthy. Roman and Pecker do not preach, but gently lead you through a myriad of universal truths that impact directly on your pocketbook or bank account. A series of practice exercises combined with a number of worksheets, which the author called play sheets, assist the reader in following the true essence of the manuscript and at the same time serve as a summary for some of the more important areas of focus. For all those who have ever had problems with money, for those who are struggling to make a living, or for those who simply would like to improve their quality of life, this book is a candidate for the required reading. It should be reread many times and occupy a prominent place on your bookshelf. I hope you enjoyed this book as much as I did.